Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna explain you how you can screen mirror your phone screen to your TV screen. Start your phone and your TV. Go on your TV to the settings where you can choose which source the TV should use. Depending on the brand of your phone, the name for screen mirror varies. On Samsung, it's called SmartView. Either Google which name your brand is using or search for screen mirror in your settings. Open screen mirror on your phone and your TV. Now both should be searching for nearby devices. Choose the right TV on your phone, the name should be listed on your TV screen. Wait till the connection is done. Now your phone screen will be shown on your TV. With auto rotate you can change the aspect ratio into horizontal. Close screen mirror on your phone to turn it off and change the source on your TV to go back to the normal screen. Have fun using your phone screen on your TV. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.